So hello friends, welcome to part 13 of the React Hook series. We're coming to an end of this series. Means after this only one more is there. So what we are going to do, so this is my old app only. So one thing is remaining, which is we have seen on every hook there out there. So but there is something known as custom hook. Custom hooks means we can create our own hooks. They're known as custom hooks. So that I cannot cover everything. Means that depends upon your imagination. You can cover anything, whatever repeated functionality they put in custom hooks. So what is this custom hooks? So custom hooks is basically JavaScript function whose name start with use. A custom hook can also call other hooks if required. We will soon see that. Custom hooks can be used to share logics like higher order component. HOC means higher order component, and render props. So render props and higher order component we were using in class based component to share some logic, share some common code actually. So let's do that. Okay, so let me come back here, and this is my old project. So first I will create a file doc title 1.js. okay, then rafce I have done, and then here it will be use state comma use effect I have done, and then const count comma set count equal to use state of 0. So we are creating a counter type of component. Okay, so then button will be there, and count is count here. Okay, and then the use effect is there. I don't want cleanup. Okay, I want it to run only once, so like this, and let me have a space here document dot title. So document dot title is this React app. Document dot title equal to count and count. So we are using this count variable, but we are not setting it, so we will set it on the button click. On click equal to set count plus not minus plus 1. Let me save it, and now let me have it here, doc title 1. Let me close. So it is showing perfectly. Okay, something is not okay. I know what is not okay. It should run on every time the count is changed also, not on the initial count, then it will not run. Okay, so that was not okay. Now it will be okay. Okay, so one more thing. See, suppose again a requirement comes, we want a similar kind of functionality. exactly similar functionality, but the count should be different. So what we are going to do, we are going to copy it, paste it, rename it to doc title to doc title to, yeah, and doc title to and we'll have, we'll refresh it, we'll have this functionality. So what is the use case? So the use case, as you might have seen, we are reusing the code. So just like a higher order component or render process, I've told we are reusing the code. So it's better to make the code at one place. But how to make the code at one place? So let us create a custom hook. So for the custom hook, let us call it use document title, use document title.js, and RAFCE. No, again, this will be not be a RAFCE. The first thing is it will not be a React component at all actually. So import use effect. We are going to have this use effect, not like this use effect. I don't know why it always happens. From React and const use document title equal to count use effect. This will be count and the effect will be document dot title equal to count. Okay, so now we can go back to both of our title here and move this logic there. Okay, so let me remove it because it is not required anymore. Use document, did exported it? Yeah, I didn't exported it, so how I can use it? Export default use this one. Use document title. Yeah, I'm importing it. Okay, and I have to pass the count on here, and we are done here. Similarly, I will come back here and remove this use effect. Okay, I have removed it. Use document title and you have to pass the count. So I'm passing the count and it is done. And only this much, yeah, it has been imported and it is done. So it is increase. So this is how we can share the common functionality, okay, with the use with our custom hooks. So hope you like this. We will continue with this in the next part, and that will be our last part. So I will see you soon in the next part.